Hi darlings, thanks for joining me. Today's vlog is all about brows. Oh my gosh, you guys have been requesting this tutorial for a little while now and I'm really excited to share this with you. Basically, if you're wondering, this is just gonna be me doing my brows. I get the question all the time, are your brows microbladed? And the answer is no, but what I am is very particular and I'm really kind of weird about my brows. Whenever I get my makeup done, I'm like, yeah, so about my brows, don't make them too dark, don't make them too thick. I don't like them this way, I don't like them that way, and that's why I take the time every day to do them the way that makes me happy. And so I'm gonna share with you guys how I do that. It's like if I have to go anywhere and I say, hey, this is a no makeup day, I'm still gonna do my brows. I am gonna show you step by step using my 3 Holy Grail products how to shape and define your brows so that they have a microbladed finish if you're sort of into that. I never even knew what microblading was until I was getting so many questions and comments about it. The other thing is I have peppery platinum hair, right? And so it is key, essential that I don't fill in my brows too dark. Like I need to get the color precise. And so I have been through a lot of eyebrow products and I have found the perfect one for my hair color and for how I like to shape my brows. And so that's what's coming next. This is how my brows look without any gel, pencil, anything on them. I take a brow brush, and I brush my hairs up so I can see each hair. I love the shape of this pencil. It has a wide side and a thin side. So what I do is I'm gonna sketch underneath, a line here and a line there. Then I'm gonna come to the top and yeah, so you'll see what I mean. And this color, guys, is so perfect for my gray hair and medium brown. I love this brow gel. It's super affordable. I always buy it in triplicate. Whenever I buy more from Target, I buy 3 at a time. One other thing about this brow gel, so on this side it has a brush that is for brows and one side that is for lashes, and when this side runs out I just switch them over to the other side. Okay, darlings, thank you so much for watching this brow tutorial. Yeah, brows, obviously you see I'm a little bit passionate and I'm obsessive about getting my brows just right, and I don't find it a waste of time. I don't find it time consuming. As you know, I'm into my rituals and my brows are so important to me, and they just happen to be that one thing that I'm willing to give the 5 to 7 minutes every day to. And I hope that you found it inspiring and it's something that you give a try. Maybe you too will try putting a little primer in your brow before you define them and shape them and fill them in and that whole thing. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure you subscribe to the Tennille Life YouTube channel. And yeah, but this will be on the blog, it's going to be here on YouTube, and I'll have a cute little promo on IG, and oh my gosh, you guys know I'm going to have it on stories. Like, okay, shut up already, Tennille. Thanks for watching.